What's up, guys? I know it's been a while. I haven't really posted anything. I've had a lot going on, but got another new car. It's a 2007 Kia Sportage. Got it free, you know. And I've decided I'm going to take the off-road rally tires from Maxima here. I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them over there. You may be asking, why are you swapping? Why are you doing that? Well, this car actually runs and drives. The tires, as you can see here, a little bit rough there. Camera's a little bit off, you know how it is. But these are newer, and this car can actually drive. Perfect. So I'm gonna swap these out. These are the same bolt pattern as the Maxima. So I'm gonna do a quick trial fit, because these are a little bit smaller than stock. No, they're 16s, this should be good. Ran into a bit of snafu that I did not predict. These are a different thread pitch than my other ones. So I'm gonna see. I got these cheapo ones I've had for years. I'm gonna see if that thread pitch is the same. If not, then back to the drawing board. I don't know if you guys can see that. It worked. So these are off of, I don't even know which vehicle I've had over the years. I just keep boxes of lug nuts in my garage, but it works. Hear this, but always have a box of spare lug nuts, because you'll never know when you'll need them. So some uneven wear, so I'm gonna have to deflate these a little bit. So it looks like it's pretty much just the middle ridge, which is typically a sign of overinflation, but whew, these brake pads though, man, let me tell you what, they're bald. I mean, they're not much bigger. I think they're probably close to the exact same size. Actually, I wanted to read it. They almost look smaller. But that's okay. What size are these? 215, 65, 16s? What are these? I don't even have a 205, so they are smaller. Interesting. Oh well, it'll be fine. It is times like these I am reminded that I'm poor and live in an HOA, because imagine this with me for a second. We lower this, right? We get a bigger engine. And this vehicle is already built for all-wheel drive. This is the front-wheel drive model. All-wheel drive it. Be fucking sick, dude. That'd be fucking sick. But unfortunately, I already have technically 2 project cars. And this one is a means to an end for the time being. So, I need more money. Alright, so let's do a quick look-see-daisy, right? To preface this is a 2007 Kia Sportage. Now with fancy new rims, so it was free. That's plexiglass, so I gotta replace a window. There's some trim pieces missing, but the inside, hold on, it's I swear to God. The inside is actually really clean. Now, look at that. Definitely needs a deep clean. There's a only trim piece missing inside is this thing, rear cup holder. Make sure the car doesn't get hit. A crack in the windshield. Again, this car was free. So this, I asked the guys, plexiglass. Somebody broke into it. I don't care. They gave me a free car. So let's start her up though. Starts right up. Look at that. Only got 299,000 miles. I mean, that's a brand new car. I don't even know what y'all complaining about, the brand new car. However, so the top antenna is busted. So I'm either gonna order a new one or see if I can just straighten this out. Because all it is, if you look inside of that, there's a coil that runs up this thing. Shouldn't be too crazy to do, but this is the car. Now, for context, obviously this 2.0, so it is not inherently a fast car, but look at that. Ooh. Nothing the sound of rally tires on asphalt though. Oof. All right, well the tires didn't blow off, so hey. And I'm not getting crazy shudder. Oof. Those grippy tires sound good on these little cars though, let me tell you what. But I'm gonna see what I can do with this thing. I might have some fun with it. That's maxed. I got no rubbage. I got no grinding, no nothing. I mean, tires were a success. The rear needs brakes desperately. The pads are basically bald. Sometime sometimes my genius scares me, so I don't know when I'm going to order a new one. So I took a piece of hanger. Now you can adjust the dial. Look at that. You can adjust it. It's a piece of hanger with some zip ties, straightening it out, at least for the time being. Fixed it. This is a perfect example of why you always need to have bolt cutters in multiple sizes around the shop. So, but, all right. Twister on in. There we go. Sure, it looks kind of janky and looks like an erect something or another, but that's okay. Because guess what? It works. And again, so say it with me, it was free. And that's the end all be all a lot of this. I enjoy doing this kind of stuff, and it makes me even happier when things are free. So if I do decide to go ape shit, I'm not really out any money. So stay tuned. Who knows what I'm going to do with this car, but I still have to work on these engines. I got 2 of these. And I have some really cool ideas. Unfortunately, stuff's expensive. So if you see this video, like, comment, and subscribe. The more viewers, more likes, more everything, the more I can start doing some wild stuff with the money I don't have. So I'm going to build a drift trike with one of them. I have a 125. I think this one's a 125 Honda. And this one's a 60. It's a 79. This one's a 79 from Predator. The bigger one I'm going to end up doing into a drift trike, have some fun with it. I'm torn on the small one though. I really am. I don't know. I'm sure I'll figure something to do with it. Probably a go-kart. If I had to get maybe a go-kart. But hey, stay tuned.